Dive into the hidden realm of nerve repair with 15 science-backed foods. Uncover the secrets to revitalizing your body's silent conductors. Don't miss out. Discover the power within your nerves. Imagine your nerves as messengers, transmitting signals that control your heartbeat, digestion, muscle movements, and more. However, the menace of sugar, junk foods, and toxins can inflict damage on these vital messengers. Here are the 15 foods known to repair your nerves. Number 1. Wild-caught oily fish, salmon, sardines, etc. Dive into the ocean of scientific wonders. Omega-3 fatty acids found in wild-caught fish like salmon and sardines. These acids don't just lower inflammation. They're the raw material for building new, healthy nerve cells while reducing inflammation around nerve tissues. Research shows a direct link between omega-3 intake and nerve health, offering a natural remedy for damaged nerves. Number 2. Organic avocados. Uncover the powerhouse of avocados, boasting a generous 800 milligrams of potassium. Potassium aids in generating nerve impulses that control muscle relaxation and contraction. Studies reveal how avocados protect nerves against high blood sugar damage, regulating heartbeat, and reducing muscle cramps. Number 3. Organic dairy, Greek yogurt, cheeses. Journey into the scientific realm of tryptophan in organic dairy, an amino acid crucial for better sleep. Explore studies showcasing the role of organic dairy in improving sleep quality, addressing nerve-related issues like anxiety and chronic pain. Number 4. Nutritional yeast. Discover the scientific magic within nutritional yeast, a B vitamin complex treasure trove. Studies highlight the essential role of B vitamins, especially B1, in healing nerves from microvascular damage caused by high blood glucose. Number 5. Sustainable shellfish, clams, oysters. Elevate your B12 intake with shellfish responsibly sourced from pristine cold waters, such as those off the coast of Alaska. Uncover their pivotal role in crafting red blood cells that foster nerve health. Scientifically, sustained B12 deficiency is associated with lasting nerve pain and neuropathy, highlighting the crucial choice of including sustainably sourced shellfish from optimal waters in your diet. The optimal waters for sourcing shellfish, such as clams and oysters, are cold, clean, and well-managed environments. Here are a few regions known for providing high-quality, sustainable shellfish. Alaska. Cold waters around Alaska are often considered pristine, providing an ideal habitat for shellfish. New Zealand. Coastal areas of New Zealand boast clean and nutrient-rich waters. Norway. Cold. North Atlantic waters around Norway offer an excellent environment for shellfish. Canada. Atlantic provinces. Regions like Prince Edward Island and Nova Scotia in Canada are known for their cold Atlantic waters. Pacific Northwest. USA. States like Washington and Oregon offer cool, nutrient-dense waters that support the growth of high-quality shellfish. Chile. The cold, pristine waters of Chilean fjords contribute to the quality of shellfish sourced from this region. Number 6. Organic sunflower seeds. Plant the seeds of nerve health with the science-backed power of vitamin E and magnesium. Research shows the role of magnesium in reducing nerve-related issues like high blood pressure, migraines, and anxiety. Number 7. Organic garlic. Slice into the scientific secrets of allicin in organic garlic, a fat-soluble vitamin B1. Research suggests that allicin penetrates damaged nerve cells, promoting healing from within. Garlic's anti-inflammatory and infection-fighting properties are scientifically proven, adding another layer of protection against nerve damage. Number 8. Organic bone broth. Sip on the scientifically proven elixir of organic bone broth, rich in glutamine. Studies found glutamine's role in supporting healthy digestion, overcoming nerve-related issues like IBS, Crohn's disease, and autoimmune diseases. Number 9. Organic turmeric. Spice up your life with organic turmeric, backed by studies demonstrating its effectiveness in fighting arthritis, Alzheimer's disease, depression, and heart disease. The active compound, curcumin, scientifically inhibits inflammatory pathways, reducing nerve pain. Number 10. Grass-fed beef. Feast on grass-fed beef, backed by scientific evidence highlighting its nutrient-rich composition, including zinc, iron, omega-3s, B12, and selenium. These components scientifically support nerve protection and overall nerve health. Number 11. Organic chia seeds. Unlock the scientifically proven energy boost of organic chia seeds. Research emphasizes the role of calcium in supporting nerve transmission and improving cell structure, showcasing chia seeds as a powerhouse for nerve health. Number 12. Organic chili peppers. Feel the scientifically proven heat of capsaicin in organic chili peppers. reducing pain and swelling for arthritis and neuralgia. Studies show capsicum's role in pain relief, making organic chili peppers a natural remedy for nerve-related discomfort. Number 13. Virgin coconut oil. Dive into the scientific world of MCTs in organic coconut oil, supported by research demonstrating their alternative fuel source for nerves. Scientifically, MCTs improve brain function, reduce aches and pains, and protect nerves from toxins. Number 14. Organic berries. Raspberries, strawberries, blueberries. Indulge in the scientifically backed antioxidant-rich organic berries. Anthocyanins, scientifically proven anti-aging compounds, cross the blood-brain barrier, protecting neurons against the damaging effects of aging and neurodegenerative diseases. Number 15. Pasture-raised eggs. Crack open the scientifically enriched benefits of pasture-raised eggs, rich in choline and B vitamins. Research showcases the role of choline in absorbing fatty acids needed for nerve repair, improving nerve signaling and nourishing nerve cells. Picture a journey of just 1 to 2 weeks where nerve pain and issues vanish as your nerves begin to heal. Jump into this ocean of scientific knowledge of nerve-healing foods, and for more insights, thanks for joining, and here's to your great health, wealth, and happiness.